So today I thought we would do a little lockdown project, something that's really easy that you can do in the home, get involved with flowers and nature and just give it a go. Welcome to my first video. So I've got these flowers which I went in the garden on my walks, went around and collected, and we're going to make a tiny bouquet. So don't know if you've seen the challenge online. I think it's #TinyBouquet, #TinyBouquet challenge, maybe. So literally grab whatever you can from the garden. Doesn't have to be any particular type of plant, just something that makes you happy and something that you love. So all you're gonna need is scissors, string or twine, just something to tie it together. It's super simple one because I know that everyone's trapped inside. And all we are gonna do is literally get little things that we like. Look how lovely that is. So pretty. And chop the ends off, and you literally, it's so simple, just put them all together, and as if by magic it will turn into a beautiful bouquet. I feel like the thing that most people always say to me is like, oh, I love your flowers, but I could never do that myself, I could never do it. I'm like, you can, it's so simple. You just literally need to give it a go. Just go into your garden now, pick up some stuff and make it pretty. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, this is my first take. highly talented, gonna be a famous YouTuber. So you just keep building. What have we got in here? We have these, which are amazing, but they are too big. Got some cool foliage actually from outside. This is pretty cool. It's like purple. Get this. When you've got something like this, you want to strip the ends off because otherwise it's not going to look like a proper bouquet. So just go like that and literally pull down. And I don't like that anymore. That's coming out. So it looks like we're going for a purple, blue and white delight. What else do I have in here? And keep building. Hold it reasonably tight because that's what's going to give you that nice shape. Let's put some little forget-me-nots in as well. These are super cute. Super cute. So, how's everyone feeling on lockdown? Going crazy yet? No, I am starting to do these flower videos. What else do we have in here? I mean, don't do what I just did and pull the head off your tulip. Call yourself a florist, Charlotte. Oh, look what else I've got. Some pretty apple blossom. Don't know if that's making anyone happy. Another bluebell. You can pick these up on your walk. Cut those off so you can see it is starting to look really cute, if I do say so myself. This is something you could do with the kids as well if you're one of those really lucky isolated mums looking after the kids, having a real fun time. Get them out in the garden, finding all these little bits and putting it together, and then you can have a nice coffee in peace and quiet. Genius idea. So I'm going to keep building. The general idea of the challenge is that they're quite small, but I feel like this is just slowly getting gigantic, so I might stop in a minute, add a few more little bits in. Here. These are super nice as well. They're scented. They're amazing. Build them in. A few more forget-me-nots, which even if you don't have a garden, I feel like on your walk you can go and grab little bits like this. This is an amazing time of year for everything in the hedgerow to help you out. What else? A few more of these and then I think we are done. 1, I'll tell you what, this is a lot easier than larger bouquets. Put them in. I feel like I keep saying, one last bit, and I'm like, oh, pretty flower. Okay, now we are done. Strip the ends of that. One thing I would recommend is if you have a look at that, at the moment it's a little bit smushed together. So the main thing about floristry is different textures and different heights. So what I'm going to do is just get this blue bar here, pull it up. So you see now you've got a bit coming out here, a bit coming out here. Pull up this nice little chive. Is it chive? It's a something. And then you will see, if you get the different textures, it starts to look more like the rustic kind of look we're after, the signature style. So there you have your mini bouquet. Get your string, tie it off. So take a little bit, my scissors can get through it, and all you do is hold it with one finger there and just wind it round, wind it round, wind it round, and then you see here, tie it together. Tie it off in a knot. And there we have it. It's a beautiful little bouquet. Chop the ends, they're all even. Jack's gonna kill me because I've made such a mess on the table. And there you have it. Beautiful little bouquet.